live tadi subong sa Kansilay Gym para sa exhibition game for the 3rd Mayor Judith Gallego Invitational exhibition game between Scorpions and LCCB Baby Panthers. Mayong hapon. Just na natin kang wait lang. Please share sa aton live. Thank you so much. Mayong hapon sa tanan. Please share. Shout out sa mga viewers. Mayong hapon sa tanan. I'm back naman ulit sa pag-live. Scorpions versus LCCB Baby Panthers exhibition game para sa Mayor Judith and One Sports Invitational Basketball League 2025. Shoutout sa mga gwapohon yung referees. Ano na to? Kay Kuya. Tanaw kami kay Kuya namon. Go Kuya! Right, ball for Scorpions. No good. Rebound. No good liwat. Bola gyapon liwat sa Scorpions. Scorpions, yellow. LCCB, color blue. Cheeky, no good isa pa. No good gyapon. Ball for LCCB. There's a foul. LCCB ball. Ball para sa LCCB. The dribble. There's a foul.
Foul number 17 is first foul.
Free throw for LCC. Mayong hapon sa tanan, wala ko may makita nga comments. Basket! Second attempt, basket again. 2 points for LCC Baby Panthers. Ay, double dribble. Ball for LCC. Steal. Balik ang bola sa LCC. Bola for Scorpions. Keeper. No good. Cheeky. Ay, wala.
Foul number 24.
Free throw. Para kay Kuya. Go Kuya. Yes, basket! kuya, oh. No good. Rebound for Scorpions and another basket. Score 3-2 in favor of Scorpions. First quarter, 8:30 remaining. Another steal. Liwat, balik ang bola. And out of bounds. Ball for LCC. Out of bounds. LCC gyapon. Pasensya ko na kung may makita nga comments. Hey! Near Marco Vaz. 5-2 in favor of Scorpions. Time 7:55 remaining.
Foul number 5. His first team foul.
5-2 in favor of Scorpions. 7:52. First quarter. Hello everyone, shout out Mario Mars to the long ball for LCCB, out of bounds. Gcash lang ako na. Shout out Mario Mar. Nice pass! Ay! Sa pa! Basket! 7-2 score in favor of Scorpions. LCCB ball. Another steal for Scorpions. Gutana drives, basket, and there's a foul. Gutana 2 points. Substitution 9-2 in favor of Scorpions. 7 remaining on our first quarter. Free throw, no good. Rebound, basket for Kuya. Basket. 7 minutes remaining. 11-2. Sabi na boss, ari kami sa gym. Basket, no good. Number 30 on a rebound. Foul.
Foul, jersey number 5. Substitution. Jersey number 5 is second personal foul.
11-2 in favor of Scorpions. 6:40 remaining first quarter. Number 30 drives, blocked. Keeper. No good. Ay, wala, sorry. Nalingaw ko siya. Ball for Scorpions. Kiki. Basket for Kuya. 32-6. 15 remaining. Steal. Oh, out of bounds. .606 remaining first quarter. 13-2 in favor of Scorpions versus LCCB. Bola ka LCC. There's a foul.
Foul, jersey number 14. His first foul.
Ball for LCC. Op, ang bola din. Ay! Daligid na. Stepping on the line.
Foul, jersey number 20.
Ano to, foul? Foul, penalty na. Foul, galing foul. 13-2 in favor of Scorpions. 5:48 remaining. Free throw para sa LCC. Oh, no good. Number 26 on the line from LCC. Second attempt. No good. Ball for Scorpions. Marco. Basket. Villarreal. There's a foul.
Foul, jersey number 5 is 30% down.
Penalty. Free throw. Basket. For LCC, 15-3. For Scorpions, 5:31. Second attempt. No good. Rebound. Nice pass. Up. Agaw. Agaw. Ay. Trouble. Timeout for Scorpions. Score 15-3 in favor of Scorpions. 5:11 remaining on our first quarter. Score 15-3 para sa Scorpions sa first quarter pa lang. Ball for Scorpions. 5 minutes remaining. Rubio, no good, out of bounds.
Shalato.
No good, rebound. Rubio. Steal by LCC. Another steal. Short. Shot clock violation. 15-3. 4:26 remaining. Good rebound for Scorpions, a steal by LCC. Steal, balik ang bola sa LCC. Oy! Bola sa Scorpions, Chowking. Nagadali-dali, pinasa basket to Rubio. From Scorpions from Joy Choi. Scorpions ball. remaining. 17-3. Favor of Scorpions. First quarter. Macau the drives. Nakagaway, nagligid. Hala, hala. Goal for LCC. Still by Macau de. Pinasa. Macau, Fernando. Assist by Fernando. 2:40 remaining, 19-3. Agaliwat. Hala. Balik ang bola sa LCC. And balik sa Scorpions. Binasa to Fernando. Fernando, no good. Rubio, aras dalom. Wala. Bola para sa LCC. Nice pass daw. Allah, harasa ko. Dolomal! No good! Nakuha ni Chowke ang bola. Pinasa to Fernando. Tayan lang. Tayan lang.
Timeout LCC Panthers.
Timeout for LCC. 1:45 remaining on our first quarter. 19-3 in favor of Scorpions. Timeout for LCC. LCC naka-blue, while Scorpions naka-yellow. $1:45 remaining, first quarter. Ball for LCC. How cute! Out of bounds. Ball for Scorpions. 21-3. LCC number 24. Wow. Free throw for LCC, no good. Another one. Rebound for LCC number 24. Rubio. No good. Out of bounds. Ball for LCC. Bola para sa LCC, 54 seconds remaining. First quarter pa lang. Mga cute sa ila. Number 30, pasa, tabok na! Number 11, there's a foul, pushing foul.
Foul number 7.
For Doromal, kita on good. Free throw. No good. Second attempt. A rebound para sa out of bounds. 36 seconds. 21-5. Okay na. Score 21-5. Basket. Kailan na Eagles choking sa mata. 23-5. Cute sa iyo. 3, 2, 1. And of course,
the first quarter, score 23-5, favor of Scorpions.
5-23 in favor of Scorpions. That's the end of our first quarter. Ang Amon Bibi natulugan na. Shout out kay Ref Andrada, shout out. Sa mga cute ka ato mga players. 23-5 ang score. Oh, good. Rebound. Basket. 25-5 ang score. Second quarter, another steal. Ay, wala pa. Still what? 27-5. Another steal. Out of bounds. Steal. There's Scorpions again. And tapaw. Nice block, nice block. $27-5, 8:50 remaining. Ano to? Ano to? Bola para sa LCC. Oh, good. Scorpions basket.
2 points. On 2.
Out of bounds. Ala, laot. Save. Traveling. Traveling. 5 and 4. Up. Traveling. 7:30 remaining. Timeout.
Timeout, LCC Panthers.
$7:30 remaining on the second quarter. 29-5 in favor of Scorpions. Exhibition game between Scorpions and LCC Bacolod Baby Panthers. Man. Ano ka na yung next game? Lipat ko yung 7:30 remaining. Good rebound. Ball for LCC Gapon. Nagaw. Go Kyrie. Nice pass. Wala, rebound. Pinasa liwat. Why? And basket.
Comeros.
31-5. 6:40 remaining. Another steal for Scorpions. Hinasa. Another pass. Oy, on steal. Steal. Nagagaway. Hala. Di na bola. Ato na kay Kyrie. Basket. For Pasino. 33-5. Another steal. Dance. 35-5, 6 minutes remaining. Ano naman ka din? Steal for Scorpions. Balik ang bola sa LCC. Out of bounds.
Substitution. $35-5, 30 na ang advances ng Scorpions. 5:40 remaining. Rebound, Scorpions. Inasa. Uy! Katahom tayo. Gwa! Wala. Rebound for LCC. Ay! Oy! Nalaot pa, nalaot!
4:50 remaining. There's a foul. May foul. Ano to man? 4:48. No, rebound. Steal for Scorpions. Basket. 39-5. 4:25 remaining. Ay! Ay pa! Ala! Oh, sige! Nasa! Basket. Timeout for LCC. 3:53 remaining, second quarter. .53 remaining, second quarter, 39-5 in score. Pasa! 3 seconds. Violation. Steal for Scorpions. Basket. 3 minutes remaining. 41-5. Nice block. .245 second quarter. Nice steal, Kuya. Pasa. Basket. 43-5. 2:25 remaining. Nice goal. Another block. Nice, Kuya. Basket. No good. Rebound. To Villarreal. Basket. .45. 1:50 remaining. Nice, Kuya. Pasa, Kuya. Villarreal. Yes! Is it Villarreal? Villarreal? Out of bounds. 5:47 in favor of Scorpions. 1:24 remaining on our second quarter. Basket, no good. Rebound by Kuya. Pass to Gutana. Pinasa to Chowking. Balik kay Gutana. Naigo na naman siya sa mata. Kadua na sa maigo sa mata, Joy. Tres. No good. Pasa, Kuya. Itaw pod. Villarreal. No good. Uy. 28 seconds remaining. Ay, kadua na sa may gusto mata. 28 seconds, 49 now. 5 in favor of Scorpions. Chowking! Ay, wala. Isa pa! Basket! Boy, perfect. Wato na! Liwat! Gutana! Gadalagan! Medali! Ay, kalabot!
And in the second quarter,
And the second.
5, favor of Scorpions.
Third quarter. No good. Rubio. Pinasa. No good. Ball for number 30, LCC. Hi! Out of bounds. Bola para sa Scorpions. Three seconds. Steal. Ay! Ala, Jumbo!
Points to number 25.
51-7 for Scorpions, 8:20 remaining. Rubio. Kodoroman. Back to Rubio. Bang!
Points to number 6.
Taoba. 8 minutes remaining, third quarter. Grabe nga ba? Nadula pa yung signal. Traveling violation. Hoy! Rubio! Bang!
Points to number 6.
Rubio. Gamay na lang din. Rubio, pinasa. Doromal. Doromal. Basket, Doromal.
Points to number 7. Doromal.
7:57 on score. 6:35 remaining. Woo. Go. Nasa to number 30. Bang!
Points.
Out of bounds. $9.57, 6:08 remaining. We're good. Doromal, binalik. Kiefer. Kyrie. Macalde. No good. Rebound. There's a foul. Steal by Scorpions. Kiefer to Doromal. At Kiefer Kyrie ulit. Rubio again. Basket for Rubio. 9:59. Pacino drives. Pacino. Nabundo basket for Pacino. Jasper. Timeout for Scorpions. 4:39 remaining. Third quarter score 61-11 in favor of Scorpions. Ang next game gani man magubugtaw. Ano na? Malipay ka isang tsura nila? Ha? $4.39. Ano ning next game nga mampang man? Lasal? Lasal ang mampang next game? Ano kontra nila Lasal? Once Live versus Lasal. Next game. $16 na ka? $16. Ano ipagay sa iyo? Basket? 63-11 favor of Scorpions. 3:50 remaining. Next game, Once Live versus Lasal. Wood! I still what? Why? Cordero. Fernando. Nice! Uy, wala. Isa pa. Uy.
3-second violation.
3 seconds violation. Chowking! Nice! Jutay pa nga persa. 2:10 ang nabili niyo oras, third quarter. Abansi ka po yung Scorpions, ha? Number 30, cute siya, oh. Nahin pa siya magdalabunya. There's a foul! Next game, La Salle versus 1 Silay, 16 under category. Fernando, no good. Oh, Fernando Liwat. Why? Why gapon?
Nice one.
$130 remaining. And back.
First number 7.
Basket.
Points, first number 7.
55 seconds. Uy, taho nga pasa. Bang! 71-17 ang score. Uy, lawas pa. Yay, lumusot. Langalang. Seconds. Oy. Nahigos. Nahigos.
And the third quarter, score 74-17.
Out of third score, 74-17. Favor of Scorpions. Our last and final quarter. Nakita next game. La Salle versus 1 Silay, 16 under category. si Kuya, oh. Tanaw sa tanaw kay Kuya. Marco Pinasa to Rubio. Rebound, Kuya! Nice! Isa pa! Ay! Wala din! Marco, no good! Bako, Kuya! Nice! Wala ba? Sa pagid! Basket!
Jersey number 12.
3 points! No good. Go, Kuya! Sige! Travel. Tres! Bam!
Jersey number 8.
8:35 remaining. 20-76 ang score. Oh, Marco! Oi! Stepping on the line!
Substitution.
Good rebound for Doromal. Rubio. Ay! Lapaw. Score 20-76 in favor of Scorpions. 76-20. 7:40 remaining. Last and final quarter na. Rubio. Pass to Doromal. No good. Marco. Basket for Marco. 78-20. 7:20 remaining. Uy, 3 points.
Now, jersey number 5.
Foul sa Tresan.
His third foul. 3 free throws.
Foul sa Tresan. 3 free throws for number 24. No good. Second attempt. Sana lang gid. Gamay na lang gid nga persa. Gigi. Uy, sobrahan. Agaway, oh. What? Bola ka SCC to number 30. Uy, wala pa. Number 24 again. Pinasa to number 88. No good. Ball for Scorpions. Boy! Ala, out of bounds. Number 30, no good. Shout out lang na kay Boss Tagoy Toy from Mike Pajes Dolendo. Shout out kay Boss Tagoy Toy. Rubio. Pass to Romal. Basket by
Nice jersey number 7. Dama.
Oh, good. Number 30. Marco.
Chocolates, jersey number 5. Villarreal.
Villarreal. 82-20.
2 points, jersey number 6.
Timeout. Ice substitution. Timeout.
Timeout, Scorpions.
Timeout for Scorpions. Score 82-22. We have 5:18 remaining. Fourth and final quarter. Abansi Scorpions versus LCCB Baby Panthers. Si kuya. Go, kuya. Steal for LCC. No good. Oh, out of bounds.
Shot clock 14 shoot.
.45 remaining. Ball for LCC. No good. Oi! Hello.
Jersey number
82-25. 3 points. Asa Fernando pinasa kay Villarreal. Good. Hop. Jumbo. Let's go. Macalde, basket. 3:25 remaining.
Substitution.
$84-25. Number 11, no good. Taman. No good. Rebound for Scorpions. No good. May isa pa. Cute! 84-27. Ano ikaw? Wala natin ito. Paano? 2:38 remaining. 84-27 in favor of Scorpions. Alright. Ito nasa piyak ko. Last 2 minutes. 86-27. Bola para LCC. Ay, ito nasa piyak. Basket, no good. Marco drives. Yeah. Basket. Ano mga puli na ito tayo? Mark again. Basket. Last 1 minute. 1 minute remaining. Yeah. Yay! Oy! Ano pa? Dali lang mo! Ay, ala, ito na. Last 30 seconds. Ay, ah. Wala na, Papa.
Points.
2 seconds. And on the bogey. Congratulations,
And the
Scorpions.
ball leader, Scorpions.
92-31 next game. One Silay Sports versus LaSalle 16 other category. Congratulations, Scorpions. Isa na yun. Kinahimos ko.